More snow, sleet, freezing rain making its way into Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan. It's a little bit chilly out here, but let's take a look at our full forecast for today.
And let's get a quick check of the weather with Dana.
Thanks, Maria. Well, the rain is coming to an end finally. We have NASA scientist Dr. Alex Young here with us this morning. Hi, Alex. The main threats for the Northland are going to be just some very damaging winds and the potential for some large hail to develop. Good morning. Well, you can see we are not in the studios this morning. I am live down here at the deck for the Duluth Lions Club's 60th annual Pancake Day. So again, that snowfall falling at moderate rates at times today. Please just take it easy on the roadways.
Good advice. Thank you, Dana.
A few showers and thunderstorms possible. You may find time throughout the day to get outside in between some of those storms. But we're actually going to be seeing a cool down throughout the day today. So
of course.
One of those days where we wake up in the teens, low 20s, and then by the evening time, we're into some single digits. Douglas, Bayfield, Ashland counties seeing that heavy, wet, wintry mix. A lot of sleet and freezing rain this morning across the South Shore and northern Wisconsin. Winds pulling off the lake will make for some cooler conditions near the shorelines tomorrow. And unfortunately, it looks like that rain is going to stick with us all the way into Sunday. So a good weekend to plan some indoor activities. It does look a bit chillier, especially here in the Twin Ports, with some very breezy lake winds.
As beautiful as that lake is, it can make it very chilly.
And it can ruin a forecast, that is for sure.
Thanks, Dana.
And as we continue, the wind gusts are actually going to be increasing as we head towards the afternoon. You can see those gusts up to almost 45 miles per hour across parts of the South Shore. Now the big question is, where is that heavy snow going to fall? We are going to dunk a turkey ahead of tomorrow's annual Turkey Day.
Well, Dana, I wish we were seeing that same weather we saw last Saturday, but
too.
that's not the case.
No, it was beautiful. And now today we're going to be nearly 20 degrees below the average. Again, I do think areas right near the lake will stay in the 60s, but just very comfortable. A lot of sunshine.
Welcome back. Happy Monday. Definitely a little cooler this morning.
Yes, definitely brisk out there. It was a good night to kind of open up windows. Heading into the weekend, those chances will return, as well as another warm up into the 80s.
All right. Thank you, Dana. And
you can see about 12 to 18 inches, over a foot of snow for areas of Itasca, northern St. Louis, and Koochiching County. Now, once that fog did roll into the Twin Ports, we did see those temperatures drop quite drastically. 0 degrees here in Duluth, but things slowly start to improve as we head towards the end of the weekend, early next week. That jet stream begins to lift further north, and then we are looking at a little bit of a warm-up Tuesday. We're at 20 degrees, right near our average, but this is going to be bringing us a round of snow behind that system. Another quick cold blast for the middle of next week. Gusty winds, maybe even some hail, and then some heavier downpours within some of those stronger storms. And a lot of that is going to be just south of the Twin Ports across much of Wisconsin and down towards Minneapolis. But you can already start to see that cloud cover beginning to build across the southern half of the state, and it won't be long before those clouds do return here into the Northland as well. And you can see that ridge of warm air sitting just over the plains and all the way up into southern Canada. Now, those areas waking up in the 60s, these are temperatures we can expect early tomorrow morning for our area. So that warmer air is going to continue to shift further east. And right now you can see those winds over the plains out of the south, and that's what's going to make its way into our area today.
welcome back and happy Friday. It's a good day because it's not raining.
Yes, finally.
Finally.
Some drier weather, and last night we saw some sunshine out there. That was pretty nice.
Yes.
Yeah, so, you know, there are some good things with this forecast.
Yeah.
But this morning is quite chilly. Let's take a look at those temps. A lot of us earlier this morning woke up in the 20s. Now we're beginning to see those temperatures warming. Ely is finally at 30 degrees and some 30s across the north as well. 30 in Orr, 27 still. In Hibbing, here in Duluth, it's 34. So a little bit warmer towards the south. That's where we saw some cloud cover overnight. And we are looking at that cloud cover returning today from the south to the north. Now, as we head into the later hours of today, becoming mostly cloudy, and then we'll also see some breezy winds developing off the lake. So an area of high pressure settled in last night. That's why we are waking up so chilly, but that's going to move to the north and east today. And then we're looking at returning cloud cover, and then a low pressure system bringing us some more rain as we head into tomorrow. So that low will move further towards the north and east, and we'll begin to see rain chances developing by tomorrow afternoon. Not to mention, this low pressure system is going to bring some very breezy winds along with it. So Winds pulling off the lake will make for some cooler conditions near the shorelines tomorrow. And unfortunately, it looks like that rain is going to stick with us all the way into Sunday. So a good weekend to plan some indoor activities. Very windy tomorrow. Showers likely by the afternoon. Those winds east-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then on Sunday, a few showers likely, 45 degrees. These are the temperatures near the lake. Inland, it could be a little bit warmer than that, but still, that just goes to show how windy those winds are going to be. Now, we are looking at a decent amount of rainfall with this system. A lot of areas could be seeing around half of an inch to an inch of rain. Take a look at Silver Bay, just about an inch and a quarter. So it is going to be a decent rain, and again, that should last all the way into about Sunday afternoon. Now, here's a look at those winds already out of the north and east, and today it will be a somewhat breezy afternoon, but the windy conditions pull in tomorrow, and those winds will be sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour. So very windy and chilly afternoon tomorrow. Now today, again, increasing cloud cover. Looks like we'll still see some 50s away from the lake today, so mid to upper 50s, but much cooler near the shorelines. I think areas like Lakeside, Canal Park, and down in Superior could stay in the 40s today because of those winds. So a little cooler today near the lake, and then tonight, cloudy skies. We're looking at mid to upper 30s tonight, so it will be a little bit warmer tonight compared to what we did see overnight last night and early this morning. Now again, tomorrow, windy and rainy, and then by Sunday, looking at some showers out there. Now next week, good news is we'll see those winds shifting from the east to the west, so it does look like it'll be a warmer week for all of us near the lake. Take a look, Wednesday, 63. Now we are looking at just a few chances for some light scattered showers, maybe a few thunderstorms next week, but not anything significant like we saw this past week.
So that's good.
Yeah, so it does look a little bit better than we just have seen this past
Yeah.
week, but still a few chances for some rain showers.
And Wednesday looks nice.
Yeah, 63.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dana.